Do you experiencing low vehicle performance? Do you noticing the issue of using more fuel, reduce in power and performance, increase in emission which leads to smoky exhaust? It can be an issue of carbon built-up in your vehicle's engine and restricting its efficiency and performance. This carbon clogging is caused by stop and start city traffic, poor quality refined fuel, frequent change in speed. This carbon clogging causes excessive wear and tear of intake and exhaust valves, combustion chamber, piston crown. Avoiding of these issues may lead to damage engine components, which is resulting expensive repair bills. Yamaha has introduced a solution to get optimum performance of your vehicle and shorter your repair bills, that is Yamaha Lube Carbon Cleaner. It works as detergent and provides rapid cleanup by removing all the impurities from entire intake system. Let's see how to use it. First, ensure minimum 2-liter fuel should be available in the fuel tank. Open fuel tank cap. Then pour 50 ml of specified Yamaha Lube Carbon Cleaner to vehicle's fuel tank. Clean fuel tank with clean cloth. Install the fuel tank cap. Now you are ready to go. Use carbon cleaner at every 3000 kilometers to prevent carbon deposition at engine parts. We have now restored fuel efficiency, increase in power and performance. Engine will be quieter and smoother, emission will be lower, and it will potentially prevent the need of expensive repair. If you're facing any issue in your Yamaha vehicle, just visit or call your nearest Yamaha dealership. We are just a call away.
Revs your heart.